How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the BDT channel. As you can tell, we have a B6A4 here today. Today we're going to show you how to remove an ECU from the car without breaking things. So let's get right to it. First things first, we need to remove the battery. Next thing we're going to do is pop off these caps. Grab a 16mm socket. Back it up just a little bit. Go. Now it's broken free. Go ahead and remove the nut all the way. So guys, usually I'll remove this windshield wiper and it'll pop off this, but I know this is bound to break, so I'm gonna try the cheating way first. I'm gonna stick a socket right through this corner and try to get to it. And that's why you need a magnet. So there you go. Cool, she's untouched. Guys, note here, this seal needs to sit very properly because water will get into there and your car's not gonna start. So if you guys try to let's see what this. So if you guys try to if you don't take this bolt out and you break this corner, you will get water in here and your car will not start on a rainy day. So know that. All right guys, grab a flathead. Cover up your windshield because we're going to grind these bolts. We're going to put 2 slits. Go ahead, pop this off. What that's gonna allow you to do, push the ECU through. You guys don't need this, throw it away. All right guys, here's the old slow ECU, stock. BDT's tuned ECU. So for an auto trans, don't forget to clip back in. All right, before we get ahead of ourselves, go ahead and connect the battery up and let's start the car up. So the car started up. Well, we're halfway there. Now let's put it all back together. You guys know, push this harness down. This is harder to go back in than it is to come back out, that's for sure. There we go. It will fit in there very nicely. See, everything's pretty much like right back where it was. If you don't have it nicely, pull it back out. Don't be lazy, because this will make it so your car doesn't start. All right, guys, lube this up so it makes it easier next time you get back into it. You shouldn't be getting back in there, but leave it a little higher because when you tighten it, it'll come down. See, came right into position. All right. Caps are back on. It's time to go enjoy the tune, guys.